ASIATOOLS offers specialty steel supply and processing and quality inspection services, delivering worry-free CNC solutions. We supply precision ground plates and bars, square steel blocks, turned rods, and large steel blocks. Our machining services include mold locking blocks, slide cores, motor plates, and L plates for mold making and manufacturing solutions. Our factories are equipped with advanced sawing, milling, and grinding systems like circular saw, band saw, CNC vertical plate milling machine, CNC plate milling machine, CNC duplex milling machine, CNC surface grinding machine, horizontal machining center, and more. We can perform high-precision saw cutting for slab cutting and slitting. Both rough and finish milling can be completed with 2 cutters, achieving high precision, with flatness less than or equal to 0.02 mm per 500 mm. Four-sided milling is completed in a single setup, ensuring tight squareness tolerance of less than or equal to 0.02 mm per 300 mm. Precision surface grinding process guarantees machining accuracy of less than or equal to 0.01 mm per 1000 mm. And we also provide CNC machining services like heavy cutting, roughing, tapping, drilling, etc. Full QC coverage is ensured by our ultrasonic flaw detectors, standard granite surface plates, CMMs, spectrometers, roughness testers, hardness testers, angle gauges, etc. End-to-end quality control ensures compliance with specs and customer standards. The tolerance can be guaranteed at plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. With standard sizes available immediately, and custom sizes delivered within 2 to 3 days. ASIATOOLS delivers on-time delivery with consistent quality. Get your instant quote now.